Hi friends, welcome to Angel's Kitchen. Today I am going to make a Kerala special dish, Erissery. This is part of the Kerala Sadya. So for making this, I am taking a red gram or the PGNP. This is around 150 grams and I'll be washing it properly and then adding it in a pressure cooker. So we'll be cooking this in a pressure cooker. So first I'll be adding this piece or the gram to it, and then I'll add the yellow pumpkin, which will be cut into or diced into bigger pieces like this. So this I'll be laying it on the top of this grams. So grams will take more cooking time. That's the reason that is laid at the top, at the bottom, and then the pumpkins. Now I'm adding one onion, which is medium sized onion, and I have chopped it. So around 3/4 of the onion I'll be adding into this cooker now. And then I'll add one green chili because we know that this yellow pumpkin is sweet. So to reduce that sweetness, I am adding one green chili here in the pressure cooker. So you just need to cut it and then add it in the pressure cooker. And now for cooking this gram and pumpkin mix, I'm adding water. So I'm adding around 1 cup of this size. It's around 300 ml. So 1 cup water. So which is like in the pressure cooker, the mixture will be just dipped in water. This is the quantity of water which I'll be adding. And now I'm going to pressure cook this. So I'll be cooking in high flame until one whistle, and then I will simmer. In the simmer, I will cook it for around 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm going to make the mix. So for this, in a mixer bowl, I have taken 5 cloves of garlic, and then I'm adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder, followed by 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. So this will give a good flavor to ericheri. And then I'm adding little bit of salt, so that's as per your taste. And then red chili. So here I am adding the Kashmiri red chili. So I'm taking 3 numbers and I'm just dropping it in the mixer bowl. And then followed by some curry leaves. Then will be one green chili. So you know that one chili was added already in the pressure cooker and then the other one in this mixer bowl. Now I am taking around half coconut. So half coconut I have grated, and that is being added into the bowl. So if you add more coconut to the to ericheri, it will be more tasty. So now I am giving it just a one mix in the mixer bowl and then is taking it aside or keeping it aside to be added to the mix finally. Now I am going to roast some coconut. So for this I have taken around 4 tablespoons of coconut here, and I'll be adding little bit of salt to it so that it gets roasted faster. So now I will be mixing, just sauteing it in the pan until it gets light brown color. So you can see that I'll be sauteing it until it is turning into light golden brown color. And once it starts turning into golden brown, I'll be adding two, uh, two curry leaves to this. So this will give a good flavor to the coconut now. So now once this is ready, I'll be keeping this aside in a different plate. And in the same pan, after removing the coconut, I'll be adding some oil. So which is around 1.5 tablespoon of oil. So once the oil is hot, then I will allow some mustard seeds to splutter. So it's around 1.5 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and once that splutters, then I'll be adding the remaining onions. So which is around uh, one medium onion. The 3/4 of it is in the pressure cooker, and the remaining quarter is now added for seasoning. So now I will add little bit of salt to enhance the cooking of onions. So now mix it well and make sure that the onions are becoming light golden brown in color. So once they are golden brown, I'll be adding some curry leaves to this. So here I'll add around 2 to 3 sticks of curry leaves, followed by 1 or 2 Kashmiri chilies. So this is all part of seasoning. And this time the temperature will be very low. I'll put it in simmer and then I'll open the cooker. So you can see that the grams has cooked properly and has come on the top, and the pumpkins are also cooked well. So now you can see there is a little bit of water in the pressure cooker, which you do not need to drain it off. You can add it to the pan now because once the erissery is ready, that water is required. That little bit of water is required, and once this erissery gets cold, it will be the correct thickness which you require for erissery. So now I have added this to the pan, and now I am just giving a small mashing. Uh, do not mash it too much, just a light mashing would do. And then I will add that coconut mixture which we have prepared before. That will be added to the mix. Mix it well, sort it well until it gets mixed properly. And then you can add salt as per your taste if required, and mix it well. And then I'll be closing it with a lid so that the entire ingredients will get mixed properly and get cooked properly. So the flavors get mixed very well. So now the erissery is almost ready. So I'm going to add a little bit of curry leaves followed by 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves. Give it a salt so you can just mix it, and then you can add the roasted coconut which you have already prepared and kept it aside, which is like coconut, salt and curry leaves. You can add this to this mix. So erissery has a lot of coconut, but that gives the good flavor and it is a very rich food. So you can see now erissery is ready. So this is an important part of the Kerala Sadya. Please try this dish. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and share it.